So here is the brain coral which I made, or you can call it hyperbolic coral, and I'm just gonna show you today how to make it. So yeah, these are a couple of different types of pieces which I made. I'm gonna show you one of the types now. So here I have taken yellow color 2 mm braided macrame. To start with, I made a hoop at the end, and now I'm going to take the longer side out through the loop and then pull the longer side, or the whatever you're putting through the thread, and then that will make you a first hoop which you're going to use to make your project. Okay, so as you pull to make the loop smaller, you just have to pull the longer side, and here I'm using 3.5 mm crochet hook. And now I'm going to make another loop, or I should say the next two loop basically I'm going to make like this as we make a chain. So this is, as you can see, this is another chain I've made, and I'm gonna make another chain. And now what you have to do, take the okay, so put the hook through the loop and then take the hook through the first loop again and make another chain. So here I'm putting through the first loop and then making the chain, and then again taking another thread, and so I've already made one chain. I'm gonna make at least 5 chains out of this first loop, and when we're completing 5, it will be shaped as a circle. So here you can see I have completed 4 chains already, and I'm going to complete some more, at least 3 to 4, so that I can make a whole circle. So here you can see the whole circle is completed, and then what will I do? This is the last hoop. As you can see, this just look like a circle now. So now I'm going to keep making this another circles, but what will I do? This will be our second round. The first round is completed. In the first round we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 loops, and now what I'm going to do is take the hook through the first loop and then make a chain, and then I'm going to do again. So I'm going to make the 2 chains from out of one loop. What I'm going to do is gonna make the same out of all of them. So on the second round I'll be making 2 chains out of one loop. So here you can see I have completed my second round. Now I'm going to do the third round. So in what I am doing in the third round is taking at least three chain out of one. Here I have started the second loop. So again in from this as well I'll be making three chains out of one. So on the third round I am making three chains out of one. As you can see, it's already looking like on the third round it's already looking like a bit of a hyperbolic. It started looking like. So here my third round is completed. What I'm going to do is on the fourth round I'll be increasing the loop chains from one loop from 3 to 4 now. So as you can see here I am going to create 4 chains out of one loop. Yeah, so here I have completed 4 chains. Now I'm going to put it through the other one and then do the same in all of them. Once you do that, it will start taking the shape all by itself, and you can see while I'm making it. Here I am on the next round. I have already completed the fourth round. I am on the fifth round, but I don't need to increase the mm, chains on the fifth round. I can keep making 3 or 4. It will be enough to make the hyperbolic, so as it has already taken the shape, so you won't need it. So here I am trying to finish my cord. So how will I finish it? Just take the end of the cut the cord and then take the pull the end through the last loop or hoop, and that's how you can complete your coral. You can just you can leave the end, or you can just tie some more knots, or you can use them to while attaching them to your tapestry. I think this looks wonderful. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me know in comments how did you like it, and how helpful was it to make your own hyperbolic color. Thank you.